Student Tom Moody has recently been learning new woodworking skills. Here he is making round bases for fridge magnets, which will eventually find their way into the Minerva shop. Tom is also involved in furniture renovation.
So what we're going to do is when marble comes down, so that we're going to hide that hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it over that hole bit, and then we're going to put the fabric over the chair, and then we're going to leave that chair to dry till next week. And then when I come back, I'm going to put that onto the chair, and that'll be on that chair. So it was all horrible, and I sandpapered all the old varnish off, and I sandpapered it. I got all the varnish off, and I painted over, and I finished it. And I mean, I painted it, and it's come to the chair, and that one there, and I think that one in, so that one in the passage.
Yeah.
It's been varnished, and it's got the seat on, and it's got the same, so that it's got like a leaf pattern, like a red seat on it. Also, I done that one.